Hey guys, so we are back to play around with some more of our new builder gels. We've got pink, ivory, and blue. Blue cloud I used earlier on these, which I think came out really pretty. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna use the pink flakes on this hand, so we'll build a little bit of an extension and do these fingers with our pink. I did wanna kind of see, I'm gonna play with my ivory just a little bit and see what happens if we mix some things here together. So let me get, where's my little, I was gonna call it my shovel, not my shovel. Let me get my little tool here. Let's get a nice little glob on here. And again, I'm just gonna kind of let you see all the goodies in here. Okay. Now I'm wondering if, let's see, if I mixed in a jelly, what would that look like? So let me grab one of my jellies. This is one of my favorite ones. It's kind of a pinky orange. Actually, this one's the pink one. I have a pink and an orange. It's got a tiny bit of orange to it, you can kind of tell. But it's gonna look mainly pink. Okay, so let me just add a little bit of that. Let's mix this together. Oh yeah, so you can create a completely different color just by mixing those. And it comes out really pretty too. I like the ivory though, but if you wanted a little bit more of a pop, let's see, pink, and let's add some blue and see if we can turn it purple. Right, blue jelly. Oh, it kind of kept it blue, didn't it? A little bit purple, but mainly blue. But yeah, that's pretty too. Yeah, that's really pretty. So you kind of, with the darker colors, you kind of can't see the goodies in it as well. But still pretty if you wanted to go that route. I was curious about that. Also, let me see. Clean this off. I also want to know what happens if we mix a regular gel polish. Same thing if you just wanted to thin them out. You know, you can use that and thin it out because it is a little bit on the thicker viscosity side of things. Okay, let's just get a smaller amount. And there she is in all her glory. Okay, let me grab, what color do I want to grab? Let's grab a blue, like a green. Let's do a green. I'm just gonna add a touch. This is just a regular opaque green. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, good. So yeah, you can kind of make a minty green. You could make any color you wanted to, basically. I'm so glad. That just makes it even more versatile. I really like that. Let me also show you guys the strength. It feels pretty strong, but let's test it out here because I'm curious. Let me get one of my dual forms. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit in here. I'm just gonna do a nice thin layer. Just kind of put it in this part here. I'm not even gonna go all the way down, just a little bit. Kick that off. Okay. All right, let's put this in the nuker for about a minute. So we'll let that cook. I'll go ahead and close this up because those were kind of some general questions I had for myself as far as playing around. I need to just throw that one away. Okay. While that's cooking, I'll just show you my nails one more time. I thought they came out really pretty. On top of gold, I don't like it as much. It adds a little bit of a milkiness, and then you can kind of see the gold flakes and the silver flakes kind of floating about. This one didn't have as much, but the blue, it really popped on. And then of course, the natural colored, which tomorrow when I do the pink, I'm gonna do it over just a natural colored nail. And like I said, we'll just extend these just a little bit like I did these, and we'll try that out. All right, let's get our nail out of here. Now that should have been long enough. Possibly not, but let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Let me just try to get this off of here. Don't want to break it. Okay, there we go. Let me put these dual forms up because the kitties were playing with them earlier, and I don't want them to get them while we're doing stuff. Oh yeah, that's really nice and strong. Do you see that? Let's see if I apply a lot of pressure. It's still not breaking. That's really good to know, because that means that tomorrow I should be able just to go ahead and build my extension with those, which will be nice. Here, let's see if I can put it on. Just kind of ignore the way it looks, but I should just be able to build my extension. Look how hard that is. Yeah, that's firm. Oh, good, good, good. Fabulous. I'm so excited, guys. Let me know what you think about these new builder gels, what your thoughts are. I love it. And like I said, if you wanted to thin them out, you would just use this gel and add a little bit of your base or add a little bit of your top coat and then just thin them out that way if you prefer a thinner gel. But they're so versatile, so many things that you can do with these. So I say get all three. There's a ton of stuff that you can do with them. If you want to see the other colors, I did a swatch on my earlier video, so just go check it out. And like I said, tomorrow we'll come back and do my other hand. And if you're enjoying the content, please remember to hit like and subscribe and join our little family over here. And I will see you very, very soon.